Is your unit in need of new lighting? Follow these simple directions to update your RV's lighting. First, ensure your safety by turning off the power to your unit. Double-check that no electricity is flowing to the light fixture. Carefully detach the old light fixture from its mounting. Cut or unscrew the wires connecting the old light fixture to the unit. Strip and twist the wires coming from the unit to fit into the appropriate electrical connectors. In this installation, we are using Wago connectors. Then insert the stripped wires into the Wago connectors. Similarly, prepare and insert the wires from the new light fixture into the Wago connectors. Once closed, tug on the wire to verify it is seated properly. Once all the wires are connected, neatly tuck the connected wires and Wago connectors into the ceiling opening, then securely attach the new light fixture to the ceiling, following the manufacturer's instructions. Finally, turn the power back on and test the new light to ensure it works properly.